Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
Namaste. Welcome to Wellness with Vibha. Today we begin our journey to developing a deeper and more loving connection with ourselves through a simple meditation practice. This practice is perfect if you are beginning your journey into meditation. If you have tried meditation before, only to be overwhelmed and given up, please stick around. Remember, our goal today is not perfection. It is simply to develop a practice that we can sit into regularly. Now, sitting still for the entire duration of our practice can seem a little hard, so let's find a comfortable seat or asana so we can practice as easily and as effortlessly today. I like to place a pillow under my hip. You can also roll up a blanket and place it like that to just give a little bit of height to your hip. You can also place pillows under your knee if your knee tends to lift up a lot. Now that your hip is either at the same elevation as your knees or slightly higher, you are no longer falling back and a lot more comfortable. You can fold your legs in front of you, one ankle in front of the other, or you can simply cross your legs. If you are comfortable sitting in Padmasana for about 10 minutes, then go ahead and take Padmasana today. Now that we have arrived at Sthira Sukham Asanam, or a steady, easy meditative pose, let's get into it. Inhale, lift the chest up, gently drop your shoulders down the back, around your spine. Place your palms over your knees, palms facing upwards. Soften the chest, relax your shoulders, and slowly begin to close your eyes. Relax your lips. Check if your jaws are clenched. Gently unclench your jaw. Relax your eyebrows. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Check that you are not holding any tension in your neck. Allow your chin to drop down gently, just a little bit. I urge you to keep your eyes closed for the duration of our practice today. But if you are more comfortable keeping them open, that's fine too. Let's begin with our breath. Take a deep breath in and relax as you exhale. One more time. As you take the next breath, say to yourself, I choose to relax. Intentions guide the mind. It's always good to have an intention before we begin our practice. Let's do this one more time. Take a deep breath in and say to yourself, I choose to relax. Let's scan our bodies from the crown of the head to the very tip of your toes. We are looking for any tightness or tension in our muscles or face. Continue to breathe in and breathe out steadily. Drawing your attention to the base of your spine, imagine you are like a tree, sending roots into the ground, creating a nice and firm foundation for yourself. On the next breath, inhale, allow your chest to lift and expand. And maintain the length of the spine as you exhale and relax the belly. Once more. Now, let's go a little bit deeper. Inhale and become aware of the breath flowing through your throat, through the heart, through the ribs and into the belly. As you inhale, let the belly expand. Chest rises. As you exhale, everything relaxes. The collarbones relax, the chest relax, and the belly relaxes. Once more. Become aware of the space around the heart and behind the heart. Make sure you're breathing around the heart. Release any tension that you may be accumulating each time you exhale. Let's enjoy the beautiful rhythm of our breath. As the mind tunes into our breath, it begins to relax. Our breath is anchoring our body and mind. So let's stay here for 2 more minutes. One more minute here. Just check that you are not holding tension in your face again, and just release it as you breathe out. To come back, gently warm your palms by rubbing them together. Slowly place your warm palms over the eyelids, covering your eyes. In the warmth and comfort of your palms, gently blink your eyelids open. You can rub your thumb in little circles around your temples as you look at the space in front of your ankles for another breath. Thank you so much for joining me today and sharing your energy with me. I hope you are feeling much more relaxed and connected with yourself. This is the very foundation of the meditative mind, tuning into our breath so we can use it as an anchor to guide our mind and body towards our intentions. If you enjoyed this practice as much as I did, I bet you want to return to this blissful and relaxed state again. Stay tuned for the next episode of Wellness with Vibha, where we continue our journey to developing a deeper and more loving connection to ourselves. See you next time.